Hello, Algebra 1B students. I'm looking at finding slope from a graph from today on the 17th. What I did was I went through all of these and put a negative. Whenever you see it's going down, when you read it from left to right, that means it's going to be negative. It's going down. It's a negative slope. So this is going to be a negative. This is going to be a negative. That's a positive. This is going to be a negative number. It's going down, going up, going down, negative. Negative. This one's going to be undefined, and I'll talk about that one at the end. So this one being a negative slope, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find where I read it from left to right. So I'm going to start with this dot, and I'm going to find, I could count to this dot, but you know what is going to be easier? Well, let's just count to that dot. So let's go dot to dot here. So it's the rise over the run. It's not rising, it's going down over the run. The run is from left to right. So it goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it goes over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's down 7/9. That just becomes negative 7 over 9. Number 2, this one was going up, so the rise over the run. So it goes up 1, 2, 3, 4, over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 4 over 6. If I divide both the top and the bottom by 2, I get 2/3. And you could probably have seen it right here, up 2 over 3, right here. It perfectly, goes into a y coordinate and an x coordinate, so x and y. So you could count up 2 over 3, up 2 over 3. It's the same as up 4 over 6. It's going to be the same. This one we already said was negative, and it's going down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So down 4 over 5. This one we said is going to be down, goes down 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1 over 4. This one goes up 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's up 2 over 5. It's a rise over run. This one we said was going down, so it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 over 4. Once again, if we divide both the top and the bottom by 2, we get a negative 3/2. Okay. You'll probably see right here was another point we could have made, down 3 over 2. So that works. Number 7, this one goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1, down 5 over 1. That equals any number over 1 is itself, so negative 5. This one's undefined, meaning that anytime you see a straight vertical line, it's going to be undefined, and these 2 points are right above each other. And why undefined? Let me show you why. You know, if I have my xy coordinates, and I figure out my slope, and I take my second y minus my first y, my second x minus my first x, I get that. I get negative 3 divided by 0. When you do negative 3 divided by 0, negative 3 divided by 0, you get error. That means undefined. That's whenever you get that, whenever you go to start figuring out slope this way, and that means they're going to be right on top of each other. That means it's going to be directly above each other, I should say, vertical line, undefined. Okay, hopefully this helps, and good luck with finding slope.